everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbuds LG TONE Free using application. You have to start by open LG TONE Free application, and you need to add your earbuds to the application. If you don't know how to do this, at this channel we have a video about it. Now, right here you need to scroll down, and at the bottom we have Find My Earbuds. Click on it. And now you can play a sound for the left or right earbuds or for the both of them. Just click at the play button, and you can also add the second one. When you found it, just pause this sound. Also, we can check location, but we can check it only if your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. So let me disconnect it. And now, right here in the application, you need to scroll down and go to Find My Earbuds. And right here you can check your last location and what time and date it was verified. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.